Where you going?
Go down.
Don't go down the hill. Watch where you're going. You're not even watching where you're driving. Oh, but what happened? Stuck? You gotta get your race crew out there. Uh-oh. You're not gonna make it up the hill. Oh. It's not good. See you later.
Get a kiss and you go down.
That's it. You duck. Duck!
Stop. Let's go chase Chica.
Let's go in circles here.
Gotta go again.
Sounds like your battery's dying.
Is there?
What happened?
Stuck.
You stuck? Got some cows over there? What's the matter?
Look at Chica.